Hello, little yogis. I'm so happy you are here today. Don't forget to smile and have fun. Today we are going to move, stretch, and feel strong, calm, and happy. Roll out your mat. Take a deep breath. Let's get started. Let's begin. Let's be a cat. Round your back like a sleepy kitty. Step your wide, bend one knee, and stretch to the side. Let's be a little frog. Squat down and stay balanced. Shh. Be a strong cobra. Lift your chest and stretch. Sit like a calm little Buddha. Make a rainbow with your body. Stretch your legs up like a tall candle. Oh, amazing! Let's make a bow shape. Oh no, the waves are coming! Bring your feet together. Hold them tight. Open your knees like butterfly wings. Bend your neck and sit like on a chair. Bring your legs over your head like a plow. Lift your body and be a strong crab walking on the beach. Let's stretch like a monkey in the jungle. Let's be a strong dolphin. Keep your body straight and balance like a dolphin in the ocean. Let's be a big camel. Open your chest and look up.